I wanted to tell you that I tried that thing that everybody does on YouTube, that you mix like whatever baking powder or baking soda with purple shampoo and Dawn and I can't remember now. It was something else to take the color out of your hair, because I wanted for my hair. I wanted to redo my hair again, and I wanted to get the green out of the back. And I only had a little bit of purple shampoo, but the problem was, I think that my daughter has been using it to clean with, and it kind of clumped up a little. And I thought I mixed it well enough, and there were just clumps coming out. I don't think I mixed it well enough. It did nothing. You could still see, even though I went over the green, you could still see some green um, on it. You could still see like a green tint to it, but it was light enough. You know, you wash your hair over and over again, the color lightens anyway. That I was able to finish. Well, I have a little tiny bit left of the bottle. Basically, what happened was, when I ordered these colors for my hair, the guy didn't seal it, and when they shipped it to me, it had spilled, so half of it had spilled out. So they sent me two more bottles. So between those bottles, since I already used it and then put the green in the back, so I still had two half bottles, and I used almost all of it, and then I leave it in all day. So for my vacation, my hair was refreshed. It was so nice. You can still see some of the periwinkle purple is still in there, even though I've washed it like I think 2 or 3 times since then. But yeah, I just leave it in all day, and then I put a conditioner. And I've been putting like leave-in conditioners in my hair. Before, I was just trying to do coconut oil every day, and I really felt like that wasn't really making a big difference. So I do coconut oil with leave-in conditioners to get my hair, to try and get it nice, because like I could tell during vacation my hair is just a little frizzy. But I don't know if we never really could afford to do a yearly pass for Moody Gardens, and we don't have a credit card anymore. But because I just paid off my car, I had that extra money for it, so I'm just really blessed, and I felt really blessed about that. I paid it off just in time that we could use it to do this yearly pass. So in the summer they may open up the water park again, and they didn't include it in the yearly pass, but because we're members, they could add it on, and they'll give us a discount for that seasonal pass for the summer. And then, for next month, my December money is going to be for Christmas presents. And then Monday, my clothes are stained, ripped. Just, you could tell they're so worn. So I need new clothes. I never wanted to buy new clothes unless I lost weight, but I have not been eating right this whole year. I've just been eating what I want, and I try. I try. Try to stay away from sugar. I do try. I've even was like again, the sugar, mostly the sugar I'm trying to stay away from, but I've just been eating a lot of carbs, and so I've gained weight. I was like 365 when I was down to 325 2 years ago after the surgery. So, and I have not been feeling well because of it. I just feel like I'm not taking care of myself. I'm super stressed out right now because of my hands. I'm pissed off that I paid $100 over the summer, course of the spring to summer, on yarn, and it hurts me to crochet, and I'm really pissed off. The only advice he told me was just work on it little by little. You have to start using your hand again so that it doesn't, or you won't, atrophy or whatever. I won't be able to use it. And occupational therapy. Do you know what occupational therapy costs? That's crazy. That is crazy. Even with the money that I'm saving on the car, which gives us wiggle room, that wouldn't even probably cover the occupational therapy. If 24, if I'm correct, it's probably going to be like $40, twice a week. So it's going to come like even more than what money I would be saving. So, frustrated about that. But anyway, so I just wanted to tell you what was up. Today's Monday. Like yesterday, I was like I felt like I was run over by a truck. But since I tried to rest as much as I could, I felt a little better today. And now, with what money I have left over after vacation, I need to do a small grocery until my husband's next paycheck. So most likely this will not be up until maybe Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm going out now, and then tomorrow I'll probably work on the video. So then I'm probably gonna have to take pictures, everything, which, like, again, I haven't done. So because Saturday was the last day, and then yesterday we tried to rest as much as possible. So yeah, so this might not all be up until Wednesday, but I'll have, at least tomorrow I should have about 2 to 3. Halloween vacation should be up by tomorrow. Maybe one video, and then I'll probably have like another video. I'll probably have like 2 videos from today's video to do. So anyway, I will see you next week. Be safe. And during the whole vacation my nails didn't break, and then just from washing my hair, it just rips right through my nails. But anyway, I will see you next week. Mwah. Bye.